I feel sick. Oh, sick? See how she tastes. And a hair. The internet has been out basically the whole day. All I know is that I already know it's good. Y'all, seriously though, this is the best purchase I've ever made or brought. It needs to be like a caution tape, a little zapper on my bed or something if I lay down before 8 p.m. I fell asleep for 4 hours, up for 4 hours, fell asleep for 3.5, and then I was up from 8:30 to 6 p.m., which I thought I was doing really well. And I would have been fine if I didn't freaking lay down. If you end up quarantining, or if you have, please let me know what your sleep schedule was like for the first few days. I never struggle with jet lag. I never do. But the reason why, because you can force yourself to go out and like do things, and there's the adrenaline of like, I'm in a new country, it makes it a little easier. Now I'm just chilling in my room. So it's a lot easier to be staring at that bed that's just right in the middle of the room. Frick. Gosh, I just love how fresh. Honestly, this is my favorite. Putting the soup with some rice. Oh, so good. Brought these little packages of peanut butter and they gave me a banana. I love bananas and peanut butter. Macaroni salad today. That's different. Since they basically only give you oversized shot glasses, I just put my tea bag literally in the kettle. And I will just, oh, there's the steam. I'll just pour it as we go rather than waste like 65 cups and just keep dunking the tea bag into all of them. Oops. Whoever told him that salad is a breakfast thing, I don't understand. I don't understand. I haven't gotten orange juice yet, so this is like exciting. I probably won't even drink it, but I'm excited about it. This is quarantine life in a nutshell. I checked to see if lunch got here early because I was so hungry, and when I opened the door, it went pew, pew, pew. So don't do that. Just be patient. But it's here now. It smells good. I wonder if I'll be sick of fruit by the end of this. I truly don't know, but these kiwis hit different than any other kiwi. A carrot! Just one. I'll take it. I freaking love carrots. It wouldn't be a vegetarian meal without taters. Something that still blows my mind is that they don't give napkins. They only give these little like hand wipe things, which are nice, but like I want a napkin as I eat. So I've been using toilet paper as napkins because toilet paper is free and you can get as much as you want. You just have to call and ask, but they don't bring whatever you ask for until the next meal. So if you were to ask after dinner, you won't get it until breakfast the next day. And the one time I did that, they forgot to give it to me. So I would recommend calling after breakfast or calling after lunch. I am so happy. We got japchae. Public service announcement. I need to know what this is. I know I've had it before. It is so good. I don't know what it is. Help your girl out. I was looking outside and like I said, I'm not really a vegetarian, but I chose the vegetarian option just to kind of like cleanse my body for 2 weeks. And I could see my neighbor's non-veggie meal and it had ramen. And I got real sad because I just wanted ramen. And we don't usually get ramen in the vegetarian ones, maybe because it's like a meat-based or something like that. But the fact that we got japchae, Lord really looking out. He looking out. He knew I wanted those noodles. He knew I wanted a noodle. They're really good if you're curious. Everything about quarantine, beautiful. Love it. I just wish it didn't cost as much money as it did. But hey, if I'm getting food like this, sign me up for round 2. Just kidding. I'd rather go outside. I can't see anything. I used to work at a Korean barbecue place. You really are like running back and forth. You're cooking everybody's food for them. There's just movement, constant movement. I was getting like 10 to 14,000 steps every day at work. So to quit my job and to move to South Korea less than a week after my last day at work, really, I have no words for how crazy it's all been. But I think the weirdest part is I'm used to running, just like moving. And here we've got like, what, 20 feet of room to not be able to move? Okay, cop cars, now is not the time. Wow, ooh, they're green. They're green. I don't know if I've seen it. Was that a cop car? Are they always green overseas? To be inside and not have the opportunity to just like run around and move a lot, I feel like I'm not doing anything. Like I feel like I'm not being productive because I used to be like so it's weird. But at the same time, I mean, Hey, bring me 3 meals a day and lock me in a room and tell me that I've got no responsibilities. I'm all for it. I just am excited to get out. I want meat. I want to eat meat. And I want something fried that's warm. Currently, all I can think about is brisket, and they're like a corn dog, but it's like a Korean corn dog. It just has a big freaking mozzarella stick in it. I don't even like those that much, but that's just what I want right now because all I've had is fruits and vegetables. That's all I've had is the fruits and vegetables, and it's the good thing. My body is like awake, alive. I feel great, but my heart and my tummy are so sad. I'm being dramatic. I need to stop. I really think I just am going stir crazy because I can't move. I think I might just like walk. Yeah, I'm just gonna walk back and forth. I'm tired, but I just need to do it. I just need to move. Someone is about to cackle in my face, but I put the belt on of, obviously, if you couldn't tell, another dress so that I can hook my phone onto it with my pop socket so I can get my steps without having to hold my phone as I walk. So I'm gonna walk now. I feel like I'm a different person in quarantine because they wake you up at 8 a.m. with these terrifying, did I say terrifying wake up calls? But yeah, you get up at 8 a.m. whether or not you really want to. Honestly, I'd rather them not make the announcement. Like, I get it, it's at 8 every day, but at the same time, it keeps me on a schedule, so it's almost 11 and I feel like I'm about to fall asleep. It's so unlike me. I'm complaining like quarantine life is such a struggle. No, I think it's about time I should just go to bed. Y'all, it's really the little things when you're in quarantine. It's really the little things, okay? Just keep that in mind. I felt cluttered, right? I felt a little disheveled. I had pens kind of laying out. I had extra silverware laying out just in these awkward piles. So I took the water bottles and I made them into these little organizers. To say that I'm proud of myself is truly an understatement. This has brought me pure joy. Like, I'm really thinking things through here, guys, and we're here for it. I'm even coloring. I can't remember the last time I colored, but it's day 5 and I'm already going a little stir crazy. But these guys right here, these it just makes me happy. So make fun of me or call me a genius, whatever you would like. Oh, this is what it's come to. Coming to you live and fully ratchet, just to give you this little update that the internet has been out basically the whole day. It is day 6. It'll come on and off. It'll come on for like 3 minutes or so, and then it turns off for like an hour or more. Thankfully, I brought books. I'm not a huge TV person, but in America, I did download some episodes of some shows that I had started and never finished. I don't think this hotel was built to be at full capacity with probably everybody using the internet at the same time all day long, but I guess it'll keep me more on task today. Well, yes, I do look very embarrassed or like Bob from VeggieTales, but I worked out. Yay! I'm in a lot of pain, but we did it! Anyways, it's now laundry time. We took the Tide, we put it in the water. We wash the things, all of the things. Then we use this nozzle to wash them off, and then we hang dry. Hanging some stuff here to dry, using all of these. I put the bags that we have to use to throw stuff away, I put that on here by the window here because it's gonna go a lot faster. I don't have like any hangers. Uh-oh. Just ignore that. The hangers that they gave have this like felt on them, so I didn't want to ruin it. The other ones have metal here, but just might have to do what I gotta do. Truly, we are so spoiled to have washing machines of all the kinds. I feel sick.